Sairam, welcome to the Sri Sathya Sai Loka Seva Gurukulam Let's Learn English program. Today we are going to learn about sounds of the vowels which are continued from the last lesson, and your instructor's name is Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. So let us see the sound of the vowel letter E. So in the last lesson we did sound of the letter A, which are 4 sounds. Okay. Now we are going to do the vowel sound E. The vowel letter E has 3 sounds. Okay. Now let us see what are they. The first sound of E is as in bed, B-E-D, bed, P-E-N, pen, N-E-T, net. Okay. Then L-E-G, leg, B-E-L-L, bell, R-E-D, red. So now we go to the second sound of the vowel letter E. It is garden, A. Okay, garden. Earth, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Copper, C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Person, P-E-R-S-O-N. So what is the sound? Okay. Jupiter, J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Then flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Now we will see the beautiful pictures. Garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Jupiter, J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Jupiter is a planet, correct. And then flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Okay. So we will go to the third sound of the letter E. He. So it is E. The letter E is stressed here. E. He. She. Me. M-E, me. Heal, H-E-A-L, heal. Now what do you mean by heal? Means to cure somebody or to give relief to somebody. It is called as heal. Then seal. What do you mean by seal? You keep a cap to the bottle, so it is sealed. Okay, so seal. Then meal. Okay, don't have to tell what is this, right? Okay, meal. So the third sound of the vowel letter E is E. As in he, she, me, heal, seal, meal. Okay? Yes. Now it's as usual game time. So guess the sound and tell the words of that particular sound of the vowel letter E. So bed. Now which are the other sounds for E? Yes, bed. Then it is pen. Then net, N-E-T, net. Leg, bell, and red. Okay. Okay, then earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Then do you remember which are the other sounds of earth? Jupiter. See, here it is, Jupiter. copper, flowers, and then person. Okay? Then peel. Do you remember what are the sounds? Want me to go back? Okay. Peel. Here it is. Reel. R-E-E-L. Reel. Meal. M-E-A-L. Meal. Heel. H-E-A-L. Heel. Seal. S-E-A-L. Seal. So, we had come to the last one. Peel. Meal. Seal. Reel. Okay? So, that is the end of the vowel letter E. So, thank you for watching Sri Loka Seva Gurukulam online classes. Thank you very much. Sai Ram.